should be good now. Yeah, we're recording. All right, welcome back everybody to another trade recap. This is Friday, 3rd of July trade recap. Today was a bank holiday, so already expecting slow movement within the markets. And we took two bangers. I was only supposed to take one trade today, which was this one, because I thought I would achieve consistency just with this one alone, but turns out I needed two. So found the second one later on in the market. But let me just showcase all of my thoughts with this first one. Here, this is right before market open. This was probably one of a very fast trade, instantly just right into market open. All right, so also for everyone wondering, we finally dropped our drawn liquidity indicator. It's not just yet ready to be released to public, but this is how it looks so far. You get all these significant draws. You can completely edit them all. Everything that I use. Now, and then these are my other indicators. Okay, so right before market open, I was on the higher time frame looking at how everything's looking, and immediately we have a very big dump overnight and the day before. So potentially looking for market, and I posted this in my daily bias channel, which then also my daily bias was correct. I said we either come down and then up, or we come up, manipulate all of these, then find a trade down to 9:30 a.m. low and London low. And what happened? That's exactly what we did. So market opened, we pumped. Bank holiday, by the way, today, guys. So still some pretty good volatility just with this candle. Good pump. We swept everything here, and we also swept into a hourly. So definitely looking for shorts, at least to that 9:30 low. Now look, the 9:30 low is created. As soon as it's created, our drawn liquidity indicator marks it out. Now I'm just waiting for our setup. We take out the 9:30 a.m. high, so I have better conviction to take this short. We create this gap, we edge it. I was scared that we might take it, but we don't. And then we do this. Our setup right here, very close, it got edged almost, so I was kind of scared. But it's okay, we did this. I took this first trade with two cons to make 600. Yeah, this was good. Here we go. And then I went break even as soon as we took out the 9:30 low. I think it was this candle. Yeah, so didn't even, literally good break even point and clear TP. This was trade one. I was considering just hopping off the markets, but then I checked my prop firm and I still had consistency, which I needed to obey. So moving on, look at that, guys. Look how good this indicator is. So it's not like previous indicators, which I've experienced, where literally even before the opening range, it's just marking out the highs and lows, labeling it. But no, as soon as the opening range is made, 940, they're displayed as soon as it's made. And boom, we have our draws displayed instantly. We do chop around them in between them for just quite some time. Then we finally, I believe, yeah, we finally take out the opening range low. And on this move down, we create a bearish 5-minute. We come up, we tap this 5-minute, and instantly we tap the CE. We instantly start moving down. And we have just this resting sell side right here. And I was pretty confident we would take this. We were quite bearish, and we had a nice retracement. And we ended up getting a setup right here. Very nice setup, very good. This is nice. We delivered in one candle, we tapped it in one candle, we wicked it perfectly and got our entry, breaking absolutely zero rules. If we go on the higher time frame, we're not inside anything that could send price up. So very, very good trade. I was pretty clear on taking this. I took this again with trying to make 600. I took this with 3 minis. There we go. I went break even when we took this just to this resting sell side. Had a little bit of drawdown, but had some clean delivery after that. Went break even once we took that out, and literally top tick TP. Look at that TP top tick, and then started reversing after. So yeah, that was today for me. These two A+ trades. I'm currently up 1,200 on the day, made consistency on the eval, and these were two trades totaling 600 each. And then let me show you guys the PNL. There we go. Here's our PNL, 1.2K on this one account. And yeah, so that wraps up today's trade recap. Thank you everyone for joining and watching, and peace out.